We have a fun unboxing today. HOFFREE sent me this gaming chair, and this gaming chair is not like other gaming chairs. There's a lot of special features that this chair has, and we're going to go over it toward the end of the video. Right now I'm going to show you the assembly process, which is super easy because all the screws are already screwed in, so they're already in place, and all you gotta do is unscrew it, screw the part in, and it was really simple. I don't know why they sent me hardware, but regardless, I'm going to show you the process of how to build it. And I'm just going to play some music and I'll get back to you guys. So this is the chair that I'm going to be replacing with this chair. It's pretty boring. It's comfortable, but it could be a little bit more comfortable. I still miss the gaming chair look, but with this you get kind of the best of both worlds, where it's not too aggressive and not too huge. And one of the coolest features is that it has lights. It has a lot of light modes. So I'm going to show you that in a brief video of me playing music in the background, and they'll show you the speakers in the back of the chair as well as the vibrating lumbar support. Alright, here are some more features of the chair. As you see, the Bluetooth speaker, the LED lights, the massage function, and it is a comfortable chair. Like I said, somewhere between like a heavy-duty gaming chair and a office chair, something in between. Not too bulky, and for about a little bit over a $200 price range, it's fairly fair. I will leave a product link in the description as well as a discount code. Use code STRATS21 and you can save up to 21%. Thank you, HOFFREE, for sending me this chair. I really do like it. It's going to be my new main chair that I'm going to be using for my video editing and gaming area. Just remember, safety is an illusion, and I'll see you guys in the next video.